Hey y'all, I'm Pepper. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am recreating this gorgeous set from Nora Nail Design on Instagrams. So I am using some Beetles colors. You can see the numbers listed there. And just going through and doing I do believe I do a double coat of each of these, and I do 3 of the darker color, which is number 866. No, I'm sorry, 865. The lighter colored nail is B310. Then I'm taking some Beetles white, and we're going to just draw a heart sort of on a slant. Now, I don't want you to worry about being perfect on these because we are outlining those with silver. We're adding some cool design to it. So just a nice outline of a heart. Make sure that polish is nice and smooth because we are going to be matte coating that before we add the silver and the rhinestones. Same thing on the other hand, just sped up a little bit. You're going to notice both of my hands are different. Like, it's impossible for me to do the same exact thing twice, which with hand painted art, I don't think you should anyways. Now I'm taking some of that 866 and we're going to add some color to that heart. And I'm just going around the edge. Really, you could put it anywhere you feel. I did not copy her inspo pic exactly. Pretty dang close, but not exactly. So I just kind of added some of that dark blue where I thought it would be nice and contrast that nail. So a little bit right there, and then I go back down to the bottom. We're going to just add a little bit more down to the bottom there. All right, and you are going to give that a cure. Oh, looks like I went in with the light before I gave it a cure. So that is the Beetles B310. Just adding some little light pieces in there. And we are going to separate those with the silver. Okay, same thing on the next hand. Just going to add some of that blue color. Give it some of that nice contrast. A little bit on both sides. And I think I did this hand different. Trying to remember if I added that little circle. I think I did the little circle piece in like a lighter blue on this one. Yeah, that's what I did. So I'm adding the little light blue now. I like to change it up, you guys. Like, I want every nail to be different. I want something new to look at on every nail. Okay, now I'm taking the Beetles matte coat, and we're going to matte coat that. I do one nail at a time on these ones just to kind of show you the process. We do end up going and doing another one on the pinky, just a different design. So, okay, this is Savvyland, silver gel paint. And we're just going to outline that heart. We're going to outline every detail, every color, separation. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but my daughter came home and was yelling at the dogs, so I had to stop recording for a second. I have 2 dogs, an Australian Shepherd who's just still young, about a year old, and then an old 10-year-old pit bull. And they're quite the pair. So you can see I'm just outlining every little color detail that I put in there and making it pop. I love this design so much. Okay, now we're adding, I don't really know how to explain what these are, but what I thought that they were when I saw the picture was like, maybe this is like a piece of jewelry, and those things at the top are like the chain or the string they're hanging from. That's what it looked like to me. Anyways, just a little swirly at the bottom. Little swirly swirl. Just adding some detail to that string or chain. And just some little swoops. I just added my own little swoops where I felt like I needed a swoop. Okay, same thing on the other hand. I outlined every little thing. So on top of my 2 dogs, I also have 7 cats. I have a really big problem. Like, so big I probably need, like, Cats Anonymous. I love them. So if you ever see a cat tail or a little nose poking into the film, they're always so curious as to what I'm doing. All right, now I'm going to take some of the Beetles nail glue, and I am just going to attach a little rhinestone right where that chain connects to the heart. And then I got some of these cool caviar beads from Temu, and they're just itty bitty little micro beads. I just tried to zoom it out a little bit so you could see better, but I filled in the gaps up top, and then I'm just adding a little string of them down to the bottom point of that heart. Super cute. And these wheels, they were only like $2.47. So I bought 3 of them, and they have all the different colors, like all the colors. I think I show it. Hopefully I show it coming up soon. So same thing on the other hand. Just adding that rhinestone, filling in the gaps. Again, it's different on each hand. I gotta get a drink. My voice is so dry. All right, y'all, I am back. My voice was sounding like a 14-year-old boy's there for a second. All right, so I lied to y'all. I didn't do the pinky. I did the ring finger. More space, right? So this one, the outline is in the dark blue color. We are going to leave the center of that the light blue color. And so we are just making some thicker outlines. And I love this one. This was probably one of my favorite ones. Just a thicker outline you'll see on this finished. I don't know why I didn't show the whole rest of that one because it was so cute. You're going to see it though. I mean, you'll see it when I add the rest of the stuff. But see how I just kind of thickened up the outside of that heart? Yeah. Been working on staying in frame, you guys. And if you've watched any of my past videos, which probably haven't because I'm new. But if you have, you would know I have a really big problem staying in frame. It's difficult. It is harder than you would think. It is taking me so much practice, and I feel kind of proud of myself in this video. Let me know what you think. Is it watchable? Is it easy to watch? Is it annoying? Like, what could I do better? What could I do different? Please give me positive feedback. Feedback, but not in a mean way, is what I mean by that. Because, like, feedback's a gift, right? We always, always, always can be better. But I think it can be given in a nice way always. So, keep that in mind. I'm a little sensitive. Matte coated that. Now we're adding that silver. I just love this one. I guess I just love the shape of the heart. I think it's so elegant. And I love elegant stuff. Like, I love stuff that has to do with, like, royalty and fairies. I guess fairies are elegant. In my eyes, they're elegant. All right, see how pretty that looks? Adding a little swooshes in the middle and then a swoop at the bottom. Each nail has its own little bottom swoop. Okay, we're going to repeat that on the other nail. See, I told you you'd see both of them. And of course, this is sped up. It took me a little bit longer. But this Savvy Land Gel paint actually is really easy to paint with. I like it a lot. Like some of the other colors, like their normal pastel colors and maybe not as easy, but like they're gold and they're silver. They're black and they're white when I had it. All really good, and it's affordable. So if you're looking for affordable gel paints, check them out. So we're going to add the same thing to this one, just in a different style. Oh, there's that little circle thingy full of, oh my goodness, my tongue is so twisted, caviar beads. That whole little thing was $2.47, and I got 3 of them. And it has all the different colors in it. I did a Temu haul on my channel too, and I show all 3 of them. So if you're curious and want to go back and watch, feel free. Got some cool stuff on that haul. I can't wait to do another one. It's addictive. Lining up those caviar beads. So if you feel like you need to go back and seal in your gems with some top coat, please go and do that, because you do not want your clients losing their gems. You want them to last as long as the nail. Beetles matte coat on the 2 solid nails. You guys, I sell my press-ons on Shopify, Instagram, the Tic Tac shop. TikTok, that's what I call it. And eBay. Surprisingly enough, that's where I started. So, not letting go of eBay. If you'd like to give me a follow, if you like this content. Okay, we're giving those nails a quick file real quick. Sometimes putting gel polish on changes the shape of the nail. And then I'm just taking some lint-free wipes, and we're going to wipe those off with some isopropyl alcohol. I get my words. I'll explain that in a future video. Lord have mercy. So here's the set. I love how it turned out, you guys. It is so beautiful, so elegant, perfect for Valentine's Day. If you like this, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Any pointers you have, I'm welcome to hear them. But for now, I will see you in the next video. Bye.